Hello again viewers, welcome back again to this channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I do brake flush on this Mazda CX-5. Stay tuned. So now that I have opened up the hood of the vehicle and we have to locate the brake master cylinder, which is right there. And as you can see, the brake fluid is pretty much brown. We have to replace that by flushing it out. So I'm going to be replacing the brake fluid with this Castrol brake fluid .4. And the sequence that I'm going to go with will be on my far right corner, first one, and then far left corner for the second, and the front right for the third, and then last one, front left for the fourth. So now we have the wheels removed. We can access the brake bleeder valve, which is right here. And for this car, it uses 10mm socket. In this case, I've got my cross foot wrench, which is very handy to get all the grip to break this bleeder valve loose. And now we are going to suck some of the old fluid out of the brakes reservoir and place it inside this container. You can use a turkey baster or even a syringe like this. So now we have some of the old fluids collected inside the container. And I'm just going to pour over the new fluids inside the brake reservoir, just slowly until it hits the max line, then stop. And now we can begin the brake flush procedure. So we can get our wrench, place it like that, get our tube line, and fit it on top of the bleeder valve like so. And with this, the old fluid that I catch before, and just place the tube inside, just to make sure it is always submerged within the brake fluid, so there's no air bubbles going back in inside the brake caliper itself, like so. I'm going to crack loose the bleeder valve slowly. So, as you can see, the old brake fluid from the top of the brake fluid reservoir going down the tube. Then what we are going to do now, jump inside the car and press the brake pedal about 10 times slowly, and we are going to lock this brake bleeder valve closed. As you can see, we still have some bubbles, so I'm going to press the brake pedal about 10 more times and lock this in, see what happens. Lock this in. Okay, as you can see, there's no more bubbles and the brake fluid is very much clear, as you can see within the tube, and you can say that is all good. And just a note, guys, we always want to see and monitor this brake fluid reservoir. Make sure it is in the max position all the time. Just refill it like so. As you can see, the fluid is all clear and clean. Till you see this, it's very brown. That is from the old brake fluid. So now we have the front wheel removed. We can access the brake caliper and the brake bleeder valve located just right here. and complete. And this is the result. As you can see, the old fluid mixed with the dirt, it's very brown, whereas this one, the new fluid, is pretty much golden yellow. Okay, so before we go on test drive, make sure the brake fluid reservoir are topped up to the max position, and we are all set. And thank you again, guys, for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, just to support me to make this type of videos in nearby future. Okay, I will see you again next time. Peace.